In this video we're going to look at products and quotients. Just to look at this, and we do have to learn this, okay? It's not in our logbooks. However, it's not that hard. So it looks a lot harder than it actually is. So let's look at this. If Z1 is R cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1. Now that's what we've learned already. That's in polar form. And if Z2 is R2 cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Then if I multiply Z1 by Z2, I get R1 multiplied by R2 in brackets then cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 plus theta 2. Alright? And also if I have Z1 divided by Z2, well that will be R1, so the radius is Z1, divided by Z2, the radius of Z2, multiplied by cos theta 1 minus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 minus theta 2. And also 1 over Z equals 1 over R cos minus theta plus I sin minus theta. Okay, this will make more sense when I do this sum. So if Z1 is that, and if Z2 is that, find Z1 multiplied by Z2. Okay. Well, first of all, we can say Z1 multiplied by Z2 equals the radius of Z1, the radius of Z2, multiplied by cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 plus theta 2. And square brackets just to make it better. Right. So we have Z1, the radius of Z1 is 2, multiplied by the radius of Z2 is 5. Then we have cos theta 1 is here, pi over 4, plus theta 2, 5 pi over 12, plus I sin, and again theta 1, pi over 4, plus 5 pi over 12. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. We have cos. Now, I'll just do this out here. Okay, we have pi over 4 plus 5 pi over 12. Well, what would that equal? We'll need a common denominator anyway, which is 12. And 4 into 12 goes 3 times, so that's multiplied by pi, which is 3 pi, and we have plus the 5 pi already on top, which is 8 pi over 12, which would simplify to 2 pi over 3. Okay? So we have 2 pi over 3 plus I sin 2 pi over 3. Okay, so that's it in polar form. If we want to change to rectangular form, we can just go 10, and cos 2 pi over 3 is minus a half, plus, and that is square root of 3 over 2 I. So that's changing into rectangular form. So 10 multiplied by minus a half is minus 5 plus 5 root 3 I. Okay, so that's it in rectangular form. So if they ask for it in rectangular form, there it is. If they asked for it in polar form, there it is. Right, next one. They want to find out Z1 divided by Z2. So Z1 divided by Z2 equals radius of Z1, radius of Z2, cos theta 1 minus theta 2 plus I sine theta 1 minus theta 2. So we have the radius of Z1, which is 2, radius Z2, which is 5, cos theta of Z1 pi over 4 minus 5 pi over 12 plus I sine pi over 4 minus 5 pi over 12. I'll leave the 2 over 5 as 2 over 5 cos, and I'll just check this over here, pi over 4 minus 5 pi over 12 equals common denominator is 12, 3 pi minus 5 pi minus 2 pi over 12, which is minus pi over 6. So that's minus pi over 6 plus I sine minus pi over 6. Okay, and I'll leave it in polar form. If you wanted to, you could change it to rectangular form, but I'm not. Okay, last one then. We want to find 1 over Z1. Okay. So 1 over Z1 equals 1 over the radius cos minus theta plus I sine minus theta. Okay, and I just know these from, I suppose, just learning them a long time ago, so you need to know them as well. So the radius of Z1 was 2, so it's 1 over 2 cos, and it's minus, what's the cos of that? Yeah, minus pi over 4 plus I sine minus pi over 4. That's in polar form. Again, you could change to rectangular form. I've shown you how to do that in a previous video, but I'm just going to leave it as rectangular form. Okay, thanks.